not what I want to do in my business. I want to rank products and help people make money. Amazon just generally doesn't want you to win. It's very easy to run an ad on Amazon, but it's very hard to run an ad profitably. And that's exactly where Stone's Goods steps in. Welcome back to the channel. I was talking to one of my friends who owns a podcasting agency, and he said to me that I need to have more proof of the insane results that we actually get for our clients. So I'm going to record this right now. So this is going to be a heavily edited out video because a lot of my clients are very secretive about what they end up doing. Because honestly, if you're getting these kinds of results, you probably wouldn't want everyone else to know how you're getting them. So this video is brought to you by my agency, Stone's Goods. We get insane results for people on the Amazon marketplace. We also have lots of other fantastic services like Facebook ads that we offer, but we'll get into that later. Let me show you 3 different bestseller badges at one time. So we use sellerboard as our primary platform to keep track of profit and loss. And so you'll see in here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 11 accounts right now, and the maximum we can ever take on is 15. We're probably looking to take on 1 or 2 clients before the end of the year. And today is Tuesday, November 18th, 2025. So we're going to click into the first account that has a bestseller badge, and I'm going to show you. So we're in the account now, and then we open this up, and bada bing. But well, we have Amazon's choice, but then we also are #1 bestseller. So we're going to click through here, and you'll see that we're a bestseller here as well. So that's the first client of ours who it has a bestseller badge on November 18th. Now we're going to go over to the second one. And this one's also in the US marketplace. So we're going to click in here and wait a minute, because obviously sellerboard takes a lot of time to load, especially when it's a big account, which some of these are. The third one's going to be faster to load because it's a smaller account. But, you know, when we click in here, boom, bestseller badge just shows up right away. But also we can click in and boom, bestseller badge. You can just see that we are the bestseller in this category. Let's go. All right, now we're going to close that one out. We're going to switch to the spot number 3. So this is actually our newest client. We started working with them a month ago, and we got them a bestseller badge within 30 days of working together. That is not typical. Most of our clients don't get a bestseller badge within 30 days. The reason it worked is because they basically had a bunch of low-hanging fruit. And so boom. But I mean, is typical, you know, like we did an audit for them and showed them that their current agency was just completely missing this. And yeah, they are the bestseller in this category in the UK. So that is 3 different companies that we currently manage who all have at least 1 bestseller badge. I may actually completely delete this video and post a new version of this video because one of those accounts could have 2 bestseller badges, but one of their competitors is making a really big push on Facebook ads right now. So just in general, we get amazing results for our clients. And I would love to do that for 1 or 2 more companies to fill out our final few spots. Yeah. So if you're interested in learning more about how we could get you a bestseller badge, fill out the form in the YouTube description below. And I'm looking forward to talking to you.